good afternoon and good vibes. Feels really good to say I've missed doing this. It's good to be back. Not just editing, but also here on Hawaii. Hawaii has that kind of energy and beauty that makes it really easy to step back, relax, and just take it all in. As much as I would like to take things slow, you know that's not the way I do things. And the overcast that you see, these clouds, are the result of something destructive but beautiful in its own way that has happened here on the island. And I've got to see it for myself. So, you know the routine. Before we can do that, we got to get to it. Lego. Island time. This is the concierge desk. This is where someone was supposed to tell me how not to breathe in glass air, but no one's there. So we're just gonna go. It seems like a really smart idea. Navigate to Volcano National Park.
Alright, Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. Let's go.
How to see the volcanic flow. We'll have to figure something out. Oh, yeah, we got a killer view of this thing. Let me just chuck a Yui real quick. Insane. This is unfathomable. I did not. Whoa, this is nuts. This is freaking nuts. We still have a little bit of driving left to do. No big deal, except we got a little hungry. So we're refueling here at 7-Eleven. Just gonna grab some snacks, get back on the road, and the stoke level's really high right now.
Oh my God, we have a contest going on for these. They're 88 cents. Yeah. So you better buy them from
What's the